Hello, plant lovers, and welcome back to NatureWise Insights. Today, we're going to unravel the fascinating story of one of the most popular houseplants out there, the spider plant. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting your indoor garden, this plant has something to offer everyone. So let's dive into its origins, uses, benefits, potential pitfalls, ideal growing conditions, and a few fun facts along the way. The spider plant, scientifically known as Chlorophytum comosum, hails from the tropical and southern regions of Africa. Picture a lush, warm, and humid environment where these plants originally thrived. Their natural habitat helped them develop the resilient and adaptable characteristics that make them such a perfect choice for indoor settings all around the world. So what makes the spider plant so beloved? First off, it's super easy to care for. Perfect for busy people or beginners. But it doesn't stop there. Thanks to studies like NASA's Clean Air Study, we now know that spider plants can help purify the air in your home by filtering out common pollutants like formaldehyde and xylene. Imagine having a natural air purifier right in your living room. In addition to its air-cleaning superpowers, the spider plant is a true multitasker decorative appeal. Its long, arching leaves and charming baby offshoots add a touch of elegance and natural movement to any space. Easy propagation. The little spiderets dangle off the main plant like tiny replicas. Simply snip one off, place it in water or soil, and soon you'll have a brand new plant. It's like creating your very own green family. Even our friendly neighborhood spider plant isn't entirely without a few quirks. Here are a couple of minor caveats to keep in mind. Pet appeal. While spider plants are generally non-toxic to cats and dogs, they do have a reputation for attracting curious pets. If your furry friend decides to munch on the leaves, it might lead to a bit of gastrointestinal upset. Moderation is key. Watering woes. Overwatering is the most common mistake. Too much water can lead to root rot, so always ensure your plant's pot has proper drainage and let the soil dry out a bit between waterings. To keep your spider plant thriving, it's all about recreating its natural tropical vibe. Light. They love bright, indirect sunlight. Direct sunlight can scorch their leaves, while too little light might slow growth. Soil. Use a well-draining, all-purpose potting mix. This ensures that excess water escapes and the roots stay healthy. Temperature and humidity. Spider plants prefer moderate indoor temperatures. While they enjoy a bit of humidity, they're also quite adaptable to typical home environments. Just avoid drafts and sudden temperature changes. Now let's wrap up with some fun facts that are sure to impress at your next plant party name game. The spider plant gets its name from the way its baby plantlets dangle like little spiders on a web. Nickname, it's also known as the airplane plant, because those plantlets often seem ready for takeoff. Resilience. These plants are champions at surviving in less than ideal conditions, making them a great choice if you sometimes forget to water your plants. Flower power. Though rare in indoor settings, spider plants can produce small white flowers that add an unexpected burst of charm. In summary, the spider plant is more than just an attractive houseplant. It's a low-maintenance, air-purifying, endlessly fascinating addition to your indoor jungle. Its rich history from the tropical landscapes of Africa to our modern living rooms, combined with its numerous benefits and fun quirks, makes it a true star in the world of houseplants. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the world of the spider plant. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to NatureWise Insights for more plant-powered content, and drop any questions or your own spider plant stories in the comments below. Until next time, happy gardening and stay green.